Learn about PyWordKit module. Using this module, we convert the girl.jpg image to girl.txt ASCII format with just 2 lines of code. For us, what we need? For that, what we need is we just need PyCharm. So let's open PyCharm, a new system, and create a new project. Let's call a girl and create. So this will open a blank workspace. With 2 lines of code, we can convert the JPEG image to text format, image ASCII format. So this has opened. So Control A, delete everything. Before you do anything, what you need to do is you need to install this. Open in terminal, copy whatever you found here, pip install Python, Control V and enter. This will take a minute or two to install the PyWordKit package module on your system. It is still installing. It's still running. Yes, I think it is installed successfully. So now what we can do, we can import PyWordKit module as, let's call it PW. So I call the whole module as PW shortcut. The second line is PW. First thing we need to use this function, image to ASCII art. So let's use this. All it needs is only 2 parameters. One is input, second one is output. We have our input on our desktop image. Just copy that input and paste it here. Yeah, I can use the same name. So my input, quotes, within the quotes, girl.jpg, comma. My output also, again quotes, girl.txt. So where will I get the output? I will get the output here once I run the code. Only 2 lines of codes. That's it. All you need to do is right click and run. You'll find a txt file here in a minute. There you go. Txt file is created. Copy that. Paste it right next to on desktop, right next to this image, and open this. Open this side by side. You can able to see this has created an ASCII file within a split seconds. So this is how you do using 2 lines. I'll explain the lines again. Import PyWordKit as PW. Again PW dot, the function is image to ASCII underscore art. Here you give only 2 parameters, the JPEG image and you'll get the ASCII output. That's it.